Don't fall for the trap. How to avoid get-rich-quick schemes. Are you dreaming of instant wealth? Beware. Those tempting get-rich-quick schemes can quickly turn into financial nightmares. Let's uncover the dangers and learn how to protect your hard-earned money. The allure of easy money is strong. Many are drawn in by the promise of quick wealth without putting in the hard work. This often stems from greed, a lack of financial knowledge, or the fear of missing out, FOMO. Financial desperation can also play a role. People struggling with money problems may see these schemes as a lifeline, hoping for an easy way out. But remember, true financial success comes from patience and diligence. Proverbs 13:11 reminds us, "Dishonest money dwindles away, but whoever gathers money, little by little, makes it grow." This verse highlights the importance of honest and gradual wealth building. These schemes promise fast money with little effort, but they often lead to financial disaster. They are designed to take advantage of your desire for quick wealth. Common examples include Ponzi and pyramid schemes. These rely on recruiting new members rather than selling a real product. Early participants might profit, but the scheme collapses when recruitment slows, leaving many with losses. Fake investment programs are another red flag. These websites claim to double your money in a short time, often using fake testimonials and manipulated figures to appear legitimate. Fake online jobs promising huge earnings for simple tasks are also prevalent. They often require registration fees, but never pay for the work completed. The consequences of these schemes are severe: loss of money, emotional stress, and even legal trouble. If an investment sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The internet has opened doors to many opportunities, but it has also increased the risk of financial fraud. Scammers use emails, websites, and social media to deceive people. Phishing scams are common. These fake emails and messages pretend to be from legitimate organizations like banks and ask for personal information like passwords and bank details. Fake e-commerce stores offer discounted products but never deliver them after payment. They use fake reviews and stolen images to appear trustworthy. Lottery and prize scams claim you've won a lottery and ask for a small payment to claim your prize. These are designed to steal your money and information. Romance scams involve scammers building online relationships and then asking for money. Be wary of anyone you meet online who quickly asks for financial assistance. To identify online scams, check for urgency, verify company details, never share personal information, and use official websites and contacts. Real investments take time and effort. Gambling involves risking money on uncertain outcomes like betting, casinos, and lotteries. While the hope is to win big, most people lose more than they gain. The high risk of financial loss is a major concern. The more you gamble, the more you are likely to lose. Casinos and betting companies are designed to profit from players' losses. Gambling can also lead to addiction and debt. It can become a habit that is hard to break, leading people to borrow money or sell assets to continue gambling. The emotional and mental stress associated with losing money can lead to depression and anxiety. Some gamblers even resort to stealing or fraud to recover their losses. Gambling can destroy relationships and families. Many gamblers neglect responsibilities and lose the trust of loved ones, causing financial strain and emotional distress. 1 Timothy 6:9-10 warns, "Those who want to get rich fall into temptation and a trap, and into many foolish and harmful desires that plunge people into ruin and destruction." Proverbs 28:22 adds, "A stingy man is eager to get rich and is unaware that poverty awaits him." Gambling is designed to make you lose money. The house always wins. Be skeptical of fast money promises. If someone says, "You can double your money in days," it's a scam. Research before investing. Verify business licenses, read customer reviews, and only use trusted platforms. Avoid peer pressure and FOMO. Just because others claim to make money quickly doesn't mean it's true. Use biblical financial principles. Work honestly and patiently instead of looking for shortcuts. Educate yourself on financial literacy. Learn about real investments like stocks, real estate, and business. Knowledge is your best defense against scams. Proverbs 14:23 states, "All hard work brings a profit, but mere talk leads only to poverty." True wealth comes from effort and diligence, not shortcuts. Proverbs 13:11 reminds us, "Dishonest money dwindles away, but whoever gathers money little by little makes it grow." Fast money schemes don't last, but steady savings and investments grow wealth. 1 Timothy 6:10 warns, "For the love of money is the root of all kinds of evil." People who chase money without wisdom often fall into financial traps. Fast money schemes often lead to financial loss, stress, and regret. True financial success comes from honest work, discipline, and wise investments. By following biblical principles and making informed decisions, you can build lasting wealth and financial security. Ready to take control of your financial future? Subscribe to our channel for more tips on building wealth the right way. Share this video with your friends and family to help them avoid scams. And leave a comment below sharing your experiences with financial traps and how you overcame them. Let's build a community of financially savvy individuals.